Hello viewers, how are you? Today I am going to discuss about the worksheet number 4 in Bharathi textbook level 2.
Hello viewers, welcome to Sujata ma'am's classroom. To teach children, to reach children. Joy of learning.
క్రింది తీసివేత సమస్యలు సాధించండి. Do the subtractions. First one, 68 minus 24. Children, remember that first we have to subtract ones place, then tens place. So, first, what are the digits in ones place? 8 and 4. So, we should subtract 4 from 8 first. What is the answer? When we subtract 4 from 8, take your 8 fingers. 5 from right hand and 3 from left hand. Close 4 fingers. So, four. Next, 6 minus 2. Open your 6 fingers. Then, close 2 fingers. 1, 2. Remaining fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is 4. Final answer is 44. Move to the next question. 62 minus 46. First, what are the digits in ones place? 2 and 6. We have to subtract 6 from 2. But we can't subtract 6 from 2 because 2 is less than 6. So, what should we do? We have to borrow from tens place. What is the digit in tens place? Here is 6. So, it is 6 tens. We have to borrow 1 10. So, 6 will become 5. Here, we bring 1 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So, in ones place, there is 12. 12 minus 6. So, take your 5 fingers from right hand and take your 5 fingers from left hand. Close 6 fingers. These are 5 and 6. Remaining fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have 2. So, count 4 after 5, 6. So, 12 minus 6 is 6. Here we have 5 in tens place. So, open your 5 fingers.
Close 4 fingers.
1, 2, 3 and 4. Remaining is 1 finger. So, final answer is 16. When we subtract 46 from 62, we get 16. Next. 86 minus 19. What are the digits in ones place? 6 and 9. So, we have to subtract 9 from 6. Can we do this?
No, we can't subtract 9 from 6 because 6 is small number and 9 is bigger than 6.
So, what should we do? We should borrow from tens place. How many tens are there in tens place? Here we have 8 tens. So, we should borrow 1 10 from tens place. So, it will become 7 tens. And here we have 1 10. 10 plus 6? 16. So, in ones place we have 16 and tens place we have 7. 16 minus 9. Keep 6 aside and open your 10 fingers. 5 from right hand and 5 from left hand. Close 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining is 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Here we have 7 in tens place. 7 minus 1. Open your 5 fingers from right hand and take your 2 fingers from left hand. Close 1 finger. How many remaining? 5 plus 1, 6. Here the answer is 6. So, when we subtract 19 from 86, we got 67.
Move to the next problem. 79 minus 29. What are the digits in ones place? 9 and 9. When we subtract 9 from 9, we get 0. 7 minus 2. Open your 7 fingers. 5 from right hand, 2 from left hand. Close 2. Remaining fingers are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the answer is 50. Next, 93 minus 28. What are the digits in ones place? 3 and 9. When we subtract 8 from 3. No, we can't subtract 8 from 3. So, we have to borrow from tens place. How many tens are there? 9. So, when we borrow 1 10, here only 8 tens, and here we got 1 10. 10 minus 8. Open your 10 fingers. Close 8 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining are 2. Here we have 3. 3 plus 2, 3 after. 4, 5. So, the answer is 5. When we subtract 2 from 8, what will be the answer? Open your 8 fingers. Close 2 fingers. 1, 2. Remaining fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, the answer is 65. This is 4th question. This is 5th question. This is 6th. This is 7th one. This is 8th. 82 minus 79. Subtract 9 from 2. Can we subtract? No, we can't. Because 2 is smaller than 9. So, borrow from tens place. Here we have 8 tens. So, it will become 7 when we borrow 1 10. 10 minus 9. Open your 10 fingers. Close 9 fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining is 1. 1 plus 2. 3. So, here we have to write 3. 7 minus 7. What is 7 minus 7? 0. So, the final answer is 3. 46 minus 27. What are the digits in ones place? 6 and 7. When we subtract 7 from 6.
No, we can't.
So, we have to borrow from tens place. Here, how many tens are there? 4. So, when we borrow 1 10, here remaining only 3 tens. Here 10. 10 minus 7. Open your 10 fingers, close 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7. Remaining are 3 fingers. 3 plus 6. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, here we have to write 9. 3 minus 2. Open your 3 fingers, close 2. Remaining fingers are 1. So, the final answer is 19. Next, 52 minus 47. 52 minus 47. What are the digits in ones place? 2 and 7. Can we borrow 7 from 2?
No, 2 is smaller than 7. So,
Let's borrow from tens place. How many tens are there? 5. When we borrow one ten, remaining tens are 4 only. Here we have to write 10. 10 minus 7. Open your 10 fingers, close 7. 5, 6, 7. Remaining are 3. 3 plus 2. 3 after 4, 5. So, here we have to write 5. 4 minus 4. What is the answer? 0. Move to the next question. Jataparachandi. Match the following. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9. 17 means 10 plus 7. Keep 7 aside. Open your 10 fingers. Close 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remaining is 1. Here we have 1, 7. 1 plus 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Where is it? Here it is. So match 17 minus 9 with 8. Next, move to the next problem. 21 minus 3. Write 21 minus 3. Be careful, write 3 under 1's place. 1 minus 3. Can we subtract 3 from 1? No, we can't. So, go to tens place. Here we have 2 tens. So, when we borrow, it will become only 1 10. Here we have 1 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 3. Open your 10 fingers. Write 1 aside. Close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So remaining fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Here we have 1. 7 plus 1, 8. Next, 1. Here no digit in tens place. So write 1 as it is. So the final answer is 18. So match 21 minus 3 with 18. Next, 12 minus 8. Next, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. Write 8 in one's place. We have to subtract 8 from 2. Can we? No. So, go to tens place. Here we have only 1 10. When we borrow, it will become 0. It will become 12. 12 minus 8. Keep 2 in your brain. Open your 10 fingers. Close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining are 2. We have to count 2 after. 2 after 3, 4. So, write 4. Here we have only 0. So, no need to write anything. Final answer is 4. Where is the 4? Here we have. So, we have to match 12 minus 8 with 4. Next problem. 11 minus 8. Be careful writing in one's place.
Subtract 8 from 1.
Can we? No, we can't. So, go to tens place. Here we have only 1 10. When we borrow, it will become 0. Here we have 1 10. 1 10 plus 1, 11. Open your 10 fingers and keep 1 in your brain. 10 minus 8. Close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining are 2. We have 1 in our brain. So, 1 after 2, 3. Write 3 here. Here we have nothing to subtract. So final answer is 3. Where is 3? Here. Match 11 minus 8 with 3. That's all. Dear children, take third question as your homework. Move to the next page. క్రింది తీసివేత సమస్యలు చేయండి. డూ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్స్. ఒక తరగతి గదిలో 46 మంది విద్యార్థులు ఉన్నారు. అందులో బాలికలు 28 మంది అయినా బాలురు ఎంతమంది? ఇన్ ఏ క్లాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ 46 స్టూడెంట్స్. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ 28 are girls. How many boys are there in a class? మొత్తం విద్యార్థులు. What is the total number of students? 46. Right, 46. Number of girls. How many girls? 28. Right, 28. How many boys are there? Number of boys. What shall we do? We have to subtract 28 from 46. First, ones place. Subtract 8 from 6. Can we? No, we can't. So, go to the tens place and here we have 4 tens. When we borrow, it will become 3. Here we have 10. 10 minus 8. Keep 6 in your brain and open your 10 fingers, close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining are 2. We have 6 in our brain. So count after 6. 6 after 7, 8. So write 8 here. Next 3 minus 2. Open your 3 fingers, close 2 fingers. 1, 2. Remaining are only 1 finger. So number of boys is equal to 18. Second problem. లత తన దగ్గర ఉన్న 54 రూపాయలలో 25 రూపాయలు విలువ గల పెన్ను కొన్నది. ఆమె దగ్గర ఎంత డబ్బు మిగిలి ఉంటుంది? లత had 54 rupees. She bought a pen with 25 rupees. How much money left with her? Total money Lata had. How much? 54. Cost of the pen 25 rupees. How much money with left? Remaining money is equal to, we have to subtract 25 minus 54. First, ones place. Here we have 4 and 5. We have to borrow from tens place because 4 is smaller than 5. When we borrow 1 10, here remaining only 4 tens. Subtract 5 from 10. Open your 10 fingers, close your 5 fingers. Remaining are 5. We have 4 in our brain. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write 9 here. In tens place, 4 minus 2. Open 4 fingers, close 2 fingers. Remaining is 2 fingers. So, remaining money is 29. Move to the next problem. భువన్కు గణితంలో 93 మార్కులు, నిఖితకు 68 మార్కులు వచ్చాయి. భువన్ కంటే నిఖితకు ఎన్ని తక్కువ మార్కులు వచ్చాయి? భువన్ గాట్ 93, Nikita got 68 marks in maths subject. How many less marks Nikita got than Bhuvan marks Bhuvan got? Is equal to 93. Marks Nikita got. is equal to 68. Less marks. When we compared Bhuvan and Nikita, less marks Nikita got. Is equal to, we have to subtract 68 from 93. First, what are the digits in ones place? 3 and 8.
Can we subtract 8 from 3?
No. So, move to the tens place. Here we have 9 tens. So, when we subtract, it will become 8 tens. Here we have 10. 10 minus 8. Yes. Open your 10 fingers, close 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining 2. We have 3 in our brain. 3 after 4, 5. Write 5 here. In tens place we have 8 tens. 8 minus 6. Open your 8 fingers. Close 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining are 2. So, when we compare Bhuvan and Nikita, Nikita got 25 marks less than Bhuvan. Next. ఒక మామిడి పండ్ల గంపలో 93 పండ్లలో 28 పండ్లు కుళ్ళిపోయాయి. బాగా ఉన్న పండ్లు ఎన్ని? 28 mangoes are rotten out of 93 in a basket. Find out good ones. Number of mangoes. Number of mangoes is equal to 93. Number of mangoes rotten. 28. Number of good mangoes. We have to subtract 28 from 93. First, what are the digits in ones place? 3 and 8. Number of mangoes is equal to 93. Number of rotten mangoes is equal to 28. Number of good mangoes. To find out, subtract 28 from 93. We can't subtract 8 from 3. So, we have to borrow from tens place. Here we have 9 tens. When we borrow, it will become 8 tens. And here we have 10. Open your 10 fingers and subtract 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remaining are 2. Count after 3. 3 after 4 and 5. Write 5 here. Next in tens place we have 8 tens. 8 minus 2. 1, 2. Remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here. So number of good mangoes is equal to 65. Move to the next question. ఒక తోటలో మొత్తం చెట్లు 60. అందులో 24 జామ చెట్లు ఉన్న మిగిలిన పనస చెట్లు ఎన్ని? There are 60 trees in a orchard, in which 24 are guava trees. Find out remaining jackfruits. Total number of trees in orchard. Number of trees in a orchard is equal to 60. Number of guava trees. Number of guava trees is equal to 24. Remaining are jackfruits. So, number of jackfruits is equal to, we have to subtract 24 from 60. Can we subtract 4 from 0? No, we can't. So, go to tens place. Here we have 6 tens. When we borrow, it will become 5. It will become 10 in ones place. Open your 10 fingers, close 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 here. Move to tens place. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. What are the remaining fingers? 3. Write 3 here. So, number of jackfruits is equal to 36. With this, we have completed 4th worksheet. Worksheet number 5. గుణకారం మల్టిప్లికేషన్. క్రింది ఖాళీలను సరైన సంఖ్యతో పూరించండి. Fill in the blanks with correct number. 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many 6? 3. So, here in the box, we write 3. What is the number? 6. So, 3 6 are 3 6 are 18. Next, here, how many 3s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, write 5 in the first box. What is the digit? 3. 5 3s are 15. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. What is the digit? 5s. So, 4 5s are 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write 5 here. What is the digit? 4. 5 4s are 20. Very simple, children. Next, క్రింది వాటిని జతపరచండి. Match the following. 3 4s are. Where is 3 4s? Three into 4. Where is 3 into 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is the answer. We have to match 3 into 4 with this one. 5 into 2. Okay? Here we have 5 into 2. The digit is 5. It is added 2 times. So, match 5 into 2 with 5 plus 5. 7 into 3. What is the digit? 7. It is added 3 times. So, match this one 7 into 3 with 7 plus 7 plus 7. Next, 10 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the answer. So, match with this. 6 into 9. 9 is added 6 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is the answer. Move to the next question. క్రింది గుణకారాలు సాధించండి. Do the multiplications. 32 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Final answer is 64. Next question. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. This is 129. 43 into 3 is 129. 41 into 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16.
164
is the answer. Next question. 52 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 208 is the final answer. Move to the next question. 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 96. Sixth question. 23 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. Hence, move to the next question. 22 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 49 into 1. 1 9s are 9. 1 4s are 4. 42 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. Next, 10th question. 34 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 11th question. 51 into 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 459. 12th question. 41 into 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 fours are 32. So the final answer is 328. It's very simple, children. So take these problems as your homework. Do this in your worksheet and share your answer in the comment box. Move to the next page. క్రింది గుణకారాలు సాధించండి. సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్. డూ ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 42 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Final answer is 84. Second question. 34 into 3. 3 4s are 12. Here we have 2 digits. So write 2 in ones place and 1 in tens place. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So write 10 here. Observe carefully, dear students. I think you understand well. When we multiply ones place, 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. We got 2 digits. 1 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. So write the digit in ones place here. Keep 1 your brain. 3 3s are 9. We have to add 1 to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So the final answer is 102. Do you understand? Move to the next question. 43 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Final answer is 129. Move to the next question. 43 into 8.
8 3s are 24. Keep 2 in your brain and write 4 here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2, 34. So the final answer is 344.
Move to the next question. 56 into 3. First we have to multiply ones place. 3 6 are 18. Here we have 110. So keep 1 in your brain and write 8 in the ones place. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Write 16 here. So the final answer is 168. 37 into 4. 4 7s are 28. We have 2 in our brain. Write 8 here. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2. 13 14. So final answer is 148. Move to the next question. 58 into 6. 6 8s are 48. Write 8 here and keep 4 in your brain. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So the answer is 348. 49 into 6. 6 9s 54. Write, keep 5 in your brain and write 4 here. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 5. 24 after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So final answer is 294. Next, 43 into 7. 7 3s are 21. Write 1 here. Keep 2 in your brain. 7 4s are 28. 28 after 29, 30. Write 30 here. So the final answer is 304. Move to the next question. 68 into 8. 8 is the 64. Keep 6 in your brain. Write 4. 8 6 are 48. 48 after we have to count. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So write 54 here. So the final answer is 544. Move to the next question. 74 into 8. 8 4s are 32. Keep 3 in your brain. Write 2 here. 8 7s are 56. 56 after we have to count 56 after 57, 58, 59. So the final answer is 592. Next question. 79 into 3. 3 9s are 27. Keep 2 in your brain, write 7 here. 3 7s are 21. 21, open your 2 fingers, count 21 after. 22, 23. So the final answer is 237. Move to the next question. 49 into 4. 4 9s are 36. Keep 3 in your brain, write 6 here. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3. Count after 16. 17, 18, 19. So the final answer is 196. Move to the next question. 56 into 4. 4 6 are 24. Write 4 here. Keep 2 in your brain. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2. Count after 20. 21, 22. Write 24 here. So the final answer is 224. 68 into 4. 4 is 32. Keep 3 in your brain. Write 2 here. 4 6 are 24. Open your 3 fingers. Count after 24. 25, 26, 27. Write 27 here. So the final answer is 272. Move to the next question. 33 into 9. 9 3s are 27. So keep 2 in your brain. Write 7 here. 9 3s are 27. 27 after. Open your 2 fingers. Count 27 after. 28, 29. Write 29 here. So the final answer is 297. Move to the next question. 42 into 9. 9 2s are 18. Write 8 here. Keep 1 in your brain. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. So the final answer is 378. Move to the next question. 86 into 9. First one's place. 9 6 are 54. So keep 5 in your brain. Write 4 here. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 5. Open your 5 fingers. Count after 72. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Write 77 here. So the final answer is 774. 67 into 5. 5 7s are 35. So keep 3 in your brain. Write 5 here. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3. Count after 30. 31, 32, 33. So write 33 here. Final answer is 335. Five sevens are 35. Write 3 here and write 1 here. 5 here. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Move to the next question. 49 into 7. 7 9s are 63. Keep 6 here. Write 3 here. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 6. 28 after 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Write 34 here. So the final answer is 343. 72 into 7. First one's place. 7 2s are 14. Write 1 here and write 4 here. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 1, 50. So the final answer is 504. This is very simple, you know, children. So take these problems as your homework and share your answers in the comment box. Don't forget to write your answers in the comment box. With this, we have completed 5 worksheets. Wait for the next video. There we will discuss worksheet number 6. Till then, watch my previous videos. The previous videos links in the description box. Check them and like them, comment them, share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.